Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a custom sound to a Discord server's soundboard. Start by opening up Discord and go to the server you would like to add a custom sound to. If you join a voice channel on a Discord server, you can find the soundboard icon here under Voice Connected. You always get these 6 Discord sounds in your soundboard. But as you can see here, this server has no custom sounds yet. To add some, just click plus add sound in the soundboard of your server, or go to your server settings like this and choose Soundboard. Here you can upload a song or funny sound and edit it a little before uploading it. Beware, the file type has to be MP3 or WAV. If you have another file type you would like to upload, go to the link in the description of my tutorial on how to convert files. When you've got an MP3 or WAV file, just go to the map it is located in and upload it onto Discord. Now you can shorten it to the right sound if needed. When done so, you can name the sound, choose an emoji which suits the sound, and adjust the sound's volume. If you are satisfied with how it sounds, click on Upload, and your sound will be uploaded onto that server's soundboard. You can always adjust or delete it afterwards. As you can see here, this server only has 8 slots. You can upgrade this by buying all kinds of boosts for your server, and with Nitro, you can use all your server's soundboards on every server. If you want this, you can find it here, also in your server settings. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.